Hi friends, we are going to do a room tour for our inside stateroom on the Royal Princess. So to give you an idea kind of what to expect when you get this type of room. So over here when you first walk in, you have pretty big closet space. We haven't gotten our suitcases in just yet, so but there's several hangers already on this side and on that side when we walked in. So for 2 people, but you can always ask for more hangers if you need to. Here is the bathroom. Pretty decent size as far as there's some good storage space up here that we can use. We've already got a few things up here, but again, we just started. So this won't look as clean later on, but it looks pretty neat and organized right now. Here's a shower with shower curtain. So pretty tall, but if you are a little bit taller, it might be kind of tight, but it's all right for us because we're both pretty short. So then we have going into, there's a full-length mirror over here. Again, when you first walk in, so it's right across from where the closet is. There's Chris. Okay, now going into the actual bed area. So we have 2 nightstands on either side. It's a little tight getting in here, but it feels pretty spacious actually, I think, because the closet area is separate. So that's a nice tip. So we have some pretty good size bedside storage there. Then over here, there's kind of a little desk area, another mirror. If you're you get ready, one thing we noticed when we came in is it looks like the hair dryer that comes with the room is connected underneath here, so you will need to dry your hair standing over here. So
or sitting in the chair.
Yeah, I think it will make it will extend, so you can use this mirror when you're getting ready. So don't expect to dry your hair in the bathroom. So comes with 2 glasses, which we're going to use later because we did bring 2 bottles of wine with us. You're allowed to bring 2 bottles of wine on board. We have a little bit of storage in here, 3 drawers, and in here we have the refrigerator, and already have our 2 bottles of wine in there. So I think that kind of wraps it up.
Now there is 3 outlets in the room. There is one right here where we have an extension put in, one right by the phone, and sometimes if you go behind the TV, there's one up there that can be used.
That's a good spotting that, Chris.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think that is pretty much it. So did you have anything else to add?
No, that was everything.
Okay, so thanks for joining us for this room tour. Again, we are in room M117 on the marina deck, but this is a standard inside stateroom on the Royal Princess. So like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you later.